Hi, I'm Patrick. This is the Ask Patrick series, where I try and answer questions or queries which anyone has with regards to MBA entrance preparation. So today's question is by Krishna. The question is Quantum Cat sufficient to score 40 in the con section? Now, let me say there is nothing called sufficient. I mean, if I say, is this book sufficient or is that book sufficient or any note sufficient, there is nothing called sufficient as far as the CAT exam is concerned. No matter how much you prepare, the question that's going to come in the exam is going to be quite different or a little bit different from what is there in the book. Though you should be able to get a fundamentals from the book, but yes, the questions will come in the exam will be different. But yes, you need to start off somewhere. So pick up one set of notes, maybe one, whatever. Maybe if you take a quantum cat, you can pick up quantum cat or any notes from any classes. Pick up one set of notes and complete your syllabus. Okay, you can refer max two, but don't refer too many notes. First, it will take you more time to complete syllabus, not advisable. Second, different books may have different approaches leading to confusion to start with. The first stage is to complete the syllabus. In that case, you have to pick up one set of notes. Quantum cat is fine, any other notes is fine, and complete a syllabus. Once you have completed a syllabus from one set of notes, be it anything like quantum cat, then you move away from the book and try to solve varied type of questions, maybe from mocks, maybe from different places, and that's where you will require additional practice. Also, what is important is that approaches. I mean, as I said, in the examination actual cat, the questions are going to be a little different from what you study in the book. But what is important is the approaches or the methods that you use. You can use the same methods in different kind of sums. If you are able to think and click the right methods, your exam is going to be easy. Understand that CAT is more of a thinking examination. Unlike maybe a lot of college exams where you have to rote learn and go and write in the exam. CAT makes you think, and to make you think, the questions are quite different, a little different from what you studied. But yes, if you have a right approach, you'll be able to apply whatever you studied to the sums that are there in the CAT. So as I said, more than maybe rote learning your formulas and etc., focus on understanding and approaching the right methods. That is what will help you as far as cracking CAT is concerned. Notes, you can refer anything. I'm sure all the books or notes that are available do cover the entire CAT syllabus. So I don't see a problem in that. I hope that is clear. Thank you.